everyone, what's up? It's Addison Mariana here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you all so much for the love on my last little flexibility stretch post. I know I haven't posted flexibility videos in a while on this YouTube channel, so thank you so much for the love and the good feedback on that. Just kind of bouncing off that, I figure since we're all at home right now, this is the perfect time to be working on your flexibility. So, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give y'all the ultimate hip stretch. So, super fast, effective. This is something that you can do every day to relieve the tension in your hips. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to come to our hands and our knees. I'm going to start my timer here. And you can be on your hands or on your elbows here as long as you're keeping your abs engaged. So you want to make sure that your upper body is not moving. We're going to get nice and warm fast. Pull your right knee into your chest and then draw a large circle out and around. That's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then that same leg is going to push back in the opposite direction for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cool. Set it down. Time for the other side. Pull that left knee into your chest and out and around. You got 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep your abs engaged. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Go ahead and switch direction. Push that leg back. 10. Keep your upper body stable. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cool. You're going to bring your knees wide on your mat. Your toes to touch. You're going to push back with your hands. Push, push, push. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up. Bring your knees a little bit wider and push back. Hold 10. You're pushing through your hands, keeping your abs tight, not arching around. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up. Widen your knees. And go ahead and push back again. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, keep your legs how they are. Keep your right hand down. Leave your left shoulder down to the floor. You can hold here or extend your right arm and hold for 3 big breaths. So breathe in and out. Relax. Breathe in and out. Relax. One more. Breathe in and out. Relax. Work back to center. Push up. Switch sides. Your right shoulder is looking down. You have 3 big breaths. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in and out. Come on, right back to center. Pushing your hands again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your elbows are coming down. You're shifting forward. You're bringing your feet apart, coming to a frog. So your knees should get 90. I know your inner thighs and your hips are burning at this point, so we're just going to hold for 10, 9. Keep breathing deeply. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know it probably feels impossible to get out of this. So if you can, you can pull your knees together, or you can simply just fall forward onto your belly, whatever is most comfortable for you. Cool. All right. Coming into a yogi squat. Your elbows are on the insides of your knees, pressing your knees out wide. You're going to relax forward, breathe in, and exhale, push them out wide. 5 like that. Inhale, and push. That's 5. Inhale, and push. That's 4. Inhale, and push. That's 3. Inhale, and push. That's 2. Inhale, and last one, hold. Pull your shoulder blades together, push, push, push. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cool. You're gonna straighten your legs for just a moment. Push into your hamstring, straighten them as much as you can. You can rock your hips a little bit left to right, or halfway through, or over halfway through the stretch segment. Hope your hips are feeling better. So toe your feet even wider. You're gonna drop your booty down low to a really low wide squat and right back up. We'll do that 10 times. 10 down and up. 9, up. 8, up. 7, up. 6, up. 5, up. 4, up. 3, up. 2, up. And last one, up. From here, drop on over to one side. Let the opposite toe turn up. If you can't come as low as I can, totally cool. Feel free to bring your hands down and support yourself up. But we're gonna hold on this side for one big breath. And then stay as low as you can through center, switch to the other side. One big breath. One more time, each side, switch sides. One big breath. And switch sides. One big breath. You're gonna return to center, both legs are straight. Push back into your hamstrings real quick, and then go ahead and come down to your hands and knees, and we're gonna work on our outer hips. So, we're taking a pigeon pose. We're gonna start with the right leg forward, and you wanna take an active pigeon first. So, make sure that your hips are directly square towards the front of the room, or towards the short end of your mat. You're gonna reach your arms up, engage your abs. You're gonna hold here for 5, 4, 3, you're lifting up 2, and then 1, relax down, and you can stretch forward into your pigeon pose. We're gonna be here for the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up and hold. Engaging your abs, squeezing the glute at the back leg. Then go ahead and sit into the front hip so that you can come around. Switch sides. So now your left leg is forward. You're pulling up into the active pigeon pose. Reach your arms up. You're squeezing your inner thighs. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sink down as low as you can, down to your forearms if you can. Hold for the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press into your hands, lift your chest, squeeze the glute up the back leg. Hold and breathe. And then go ahead and sit into the hip of the front leg. Return to center. We're in the final minute, guys, to bring the soles of your feet together. Sit up nice and tall. Deep breath in and out. Use your elbows or press your knees down as you lean forward and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll yourself all the way onto your back, soles of your feet still together, knees out wide, palms open to either side. Go ahead and close your eyes. Reach your arms up as you take a deep breath in. As you exhale, pull both knees into your chest and rock yourself all the way up. And that concludes this 10-minute ultimate hip stretch practice, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and following along. Please remember to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment with how this practice made you feel. If you would like the extended version of this hip stretch practice, which is about 30 minutes long, click the link in my bio and you can continue stretching with me. It doesn't have to stop right now. All of my flexibility training videos are on my subscription website. That's addisonbrandon.vhx.tv. Again, all of the links are in the bio if you're interested, and I will see y'all in the next episode. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Namaste.